car show guy. Classic chrome fire in the sky. The car show guy. Hot rods, trucks, and muscle drive.
Jim here from the Car Show Guys. Hey, today I'm in Barryton, Michigan at the Lilac Festival. So this is a nice small little town show. We come over here every year and they always have a good group of guys. I'd say there's probably about 50 cars here today. So we're going to take a tour around, show you what they've got, talk to a few people, do some in-depth on some cars, show you what they like, and we'll go from there. So let's get rolling.
Wherever you can find a spot. Wherever you can find a spot.
Park wherever you want. Park wherever you want.
Down in Barryton town, by the lilac blooms, vendors lined up proud in the festival room. Kids with lemonade smiles, old friends shake hands. One sweet afternoon and a whole lot of class. I catch that first gleam on a polished hood. Hear the old wood racks, yeah, it feels that good. The car show guy rolling through the road, phone up to the sky, letting everybody know. Barryton, Barryton, shine on through the day. Barryton, Barryton, let the engine say. That's where the good times live. A candy apple red with a blue suede top, a wide wall two-door makes the whole block stop. A 57 green and a rust-free queen. Every trim piece glows like a movie scene. I film that slow roll and the mirror shine. Every little tear gets saved frame by frame. The car show guy with a grin and a wave, I'll bring it back home for the ones away. Barryton, Barryton, shine on through the day. Barryton, Barryton, let the engine say. Chrome in the sun and the people still grin. Barryton, Barryton, that's where the good times lay. If you couldn't make it, I got you right here. The music and the laughter, the pride and the cheer. I walk past the trophies, a nod and a glance. One more shiny memory in a small town dance. Barryton, Barryton.
1965 Corvair convertible. It's got the 140 horse air cooled in the back end. I don't know if you can see this that well with the sun hitting it. It's kind of dark in that compartment. But nice red interior. 4-speed on the floor. '70 Plymouth Roadrunner. Looks like all the correct badging on here. Bench seat.
That car doesn't run. We had to tow it here this morning.
56 Ford Custom Line. Custom carburetor setup there. This has got a two-tone green package on it. It's a really nice, beautiful paint job.
Not open yet.
Yep, nice. 69 Chevelle. 396 underneath the hood.
All right.
So you decided to bring this one out today, huh?
Yeah.
All right, this is our buddy Pinky's 57 Chevy. You've seen this a few times on my channel, but it's always nice to look at. He's got that beautiful outlaw sitting underneath the hood. And a beautiful paint job.
All right, good talking to you.
Got the gold trim. You got a 59 Ford Galaxy Victoria. A 352 underneath the hood. Red with a lot of chrome. Bench seats. Automatic on the column. Got chrome fender skirts on here. Big old bumper in the back with a spare tire. You have to wonder what happens when they get hit in the rear end with one of these cars back in the day. 69 Camaro with a 327 underneath the hood. Badged as an SS. Buckets with a 4-speed. Nice gold metallic on this car. 64 Nova. Got a little power plant underneath there. Bright red. They're beautiful. Bucket seats again. 4-speed on the floor. And then we got a little graphic here on the back of Uncle Sam. Come on. Nova SS. And nice carburetor set up there on that one. Another red Nova. Bucket seats, 4 on the floor. Seems to be a trend today. Got a pretty blue and black Roadster here. Got a flat head underneath the hood. Tan interior, rumble seat, and he left the keys ignition, so I have to take this one for a spin. Yeah, nicely done. All right, I want you to go back to the beginning of the video and watch this one come in as it's coming into the car show. This is a 1960 Auto Bianca. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly or not, but it's different. Let's just put it that way. It's extremely different. Not a whole lot to it. Trying to figure out where the gear shift is. Maybe it's just got one speed. Huh. Well, that's different. That's for all right. 73 Dodge Duster. This is a buddy of mine. Nice purple paint job underneath there. Let's look underneath the hood here for a second. Hopefully I'm not going to get busted by this music going on. Buckets with an automatic. Got a 51 Henry J. Now this is the second one I've seen in 2 days. I usually don't see them at all. All of a sudden I got two of them to show up. So I'm going to try to get this done before this music gets blocked on me. Now, I absolutely love this car. This is a 35 Ford sedan convertible. And I've seen this a couple times at shows, and it just knocks my socks off every time I see this car because it's just done right. You know, think about a four-door convertible. And it's got DVDs in the back of the seats. All custom out inside. Yeah, this car was done extremely well. Got a 68 Hearst Oldsmobile. Sneak underneath the hood here. Silver with a black stripe. So bucket seats and 4-speed with a horsepower, of course. 65 Chevy Suburban. Now this one's done right too. Nice big block underneath the hood. Fantastic paint job on this vehicle. Bucket seats. Center console matches the dashboard, matches the paint job on the outside. Automatic on the column. Yep. Beautiful truck. 59 Chevy Apache. Bright red. Step side box. Got a wooden bottom in it, but needs a little work, but that's okay. Bench seat, looks pretty original inside. '72 Monte Carlo. Got a kind of a dark burgundy metallic paint job on it. It's really nice. Bucket seats, automatic in the console. Yep, this is a dad had one of these, and I used it to go to prom with it. Nice car. 66 Impala with a 402 underneath the hood.
Yeah, they have all kinds of cars.
This is a nice paint job on this car too. Nice wheels.
I remember when you were working on concrete.
Yep, this is a beautiful car too. '61 Chevy Apache pickup truck. Beautiful bronze paint job on this one. Step side. Bucket seats. Tonneau cover on the back end here. And a lot of chrome on that bumper. Beautiful truck. It's a 72 Vega with a 355 underneath the hood. Yeah, get up and go there. The back seat out to put the NOS system in. Yeah, this one's built to jump and go.
The Car Show Guy, classic cars all night. Subscribe to the channel, like the video.